How do you create a real estate plan? Now, in our previous video, we talked about different reasons, motives, purposes why people would like to come into real estate. We mentioned one could be due to family expansion, or one could be retirement plan, or could be to make money, or to have a second home for vacation. Whatever the reason could be, you have to pen that reason. So now I'm going to take an example of family expansion. A man is married, he's been in a one bedroom. Now he's got a baby. As a result of new addition to his family, he obviously can see that one bedroom is not enough because the wife would probably need a domestic staff who are going to be supporting that family. So the family has become big from 2 to 3 or maybe 4. So in this case, he's probably looking at a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, right? So it means for this person, he or she will probably be looking at 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom across different locations. The next question that might come to mind would be their daily commute. Let's say, for example, the wife is working and the husband is also working, and both have commute time of 10 to 15 minutes to their workplaces. That would probably be a good location. Another thing to consider would be the family-friendly environment. Another thing to consider also would be the appreciation that could possibly happen in that environment, or what are the amenities available in that environment. We are keeping it simple in these videos. We are breaking out all of the concepts and strategies in real estate as simple as possible for everybody at different level to grab it. Whether it's your first time coming into real estate or you're a seasoned investor, you will find something in this. So let's get back to talking about the strategy for a family expansion. In this plan, this family have decided that they are moving from a 1-bedroom apartment to a 2-bedroom apartment. So they are looking at locations that are central to their workplaces or their common commute places. Also, these places should be family oriented. Now, with all of these plans in place, they will head out to start looking for with this picture. It means they are looking for a property to buy for their own use. We call them end users. Now, for these end users who are looking for all of these amenities, we are going to be taking Dubai as a case study. Now, there are different locations in Dubai that are family oriented, meaning these places have got parks, recreational amenities, and everything to enhance your living. So they are going to be looking at those aspects. Now, let's move to another person who would probably be looking to make money. Make money in the sense that they are looking to own a piece of real estate to be giving them residual income, maybe for retirement, or they are looking to have some money by trading properties. Now, these are two aspects of a plan. Now, let's say this person is planning for retirement. It means this person is looking to invest their probably part of their savings into a piece of real estate, which they could find, and maybe from the information they have, there are possibilities and indication that that area is growing in value, especially in rental value, because this person's plan is for retirement. So this person would like to own a piece of real estate. When I mean a piece of real estate, we're talking about apartments, villa, townhouses, whatever it is. But we'll come into all of those types of real estate rather. But right now we are talking about how to come up with a plan. So from so far we're discussing about your plan comes from your purpose. What do you want to do? So currently we are talking about for someone who is planning for retirement, and this person is planning to own this property to have residual income in terms of rental coming from that property. So this person is looking at those locations that could possibly give them the best rental yield over the period. Once we are also taking a look at Dubai real estate. For the entire series, we are using Dubai real estate as a case study. We have other markets, but for this series, we are focusing primarily on the Dubai market. Now, this person would have looked around trying to see those locations that could answer these questions they have on their plan. So that becomes a plan for them, looking for properties that could give them a good rental yield over time, because this is a retirement plan. How about another person who is looking to make money immediately? Now, there are different aspects of that plan. Now, you make money like the earlier part we discussed about someone planning for retirement. They're also going to make money, but it's going to take a little time because it's rental income, annually, monthly, depending on how it is positioned. We will come into the details of the different strategies, but just on the overview of the different plans that are possible for people who are looking to come into real estate. So this person looking to make money, it could be this person has got a good size of capital to invest. They may want to make money by buying when the property prices are cheap, or they are buying and selling immediately. When you buy when the properties are cheap, you could sell when the property prices goes up. Now, there are different strategies on how to do this. So in real estate term, we call it flipping or wholesaling. So let's stick with the word flipping for easy understanding. So you buy to sell, which is same as real estate trading. So you're buying at a lower price and you're selling at a higher price. So question, how will this person know when the price is low and when the price is high? So these are some of the things that we can create into that plan for the people that want to make money. Another way you can also do that is, one, you can buy before the development of that property starts, then sell it when it's ready. This seems to be like the easiest approach. We call it early real estate investment. Another way could be that this person will buy once it's ready and be among the first people that is buying it ready, and put a tenant there for like couple of years, like say 2 to 5 years, and then resell. So this is also for flipping. There are different details to it, which we will explain in later videos. So this is for people who are looking to make money. But there's one more category I didn't mention earlier, which is people who are looking to save money. Now, some people find out that if you keep your money in the bank, they might not give you as much yield as you would if you have done some investment. Now, one key thing is underlining everything we are discussing. It's called risk appetite. How much can you lose without having issues? That's your risk appetite in simple terms. So if you can afford to lose 1 million without having any issues, risk appetite is like 1 million. If you can afford to lose 100,000 dirhams without having any issues, that's your risk appetite. But so how much can you go? The higher you can go, the more the return. However, there are some risk mitigation strategies. All of this we are going to be discussing in the course of our videos. So stay tuned to this channel. I will encourage you to subscribe.